Hello, this is Carl Crow. I'm here to do another video for Asa Love's 100K Babes Mastermind group. This group meets on Thursdays at 11 a.m. Asa does a super job. She really keeps things simple, and by meeting each week and learning something new, this way we can improve our business and be more successful. I learned in the last session about sleeping. There's quantum sleeping affirmations, and Vince had created some videos where that you put the video on at night. So if you don't watch it, you just listen to it, and by listening to it, it has positive thoughts that in your subconscious that it will apply to your body. You also do some thinking before you go to sleep, where that you think about positive things in your life. I've done that for 2 days. Last night was my second night of doing that. I slept much better. I've had problems during the last year sleeping. I usually wake up 2 or 3 times at night. I'll look at the clock to see how many more hours it is before I have to get up. But last night I slept the entire night. The first time I've slept the entire night in a long time. So that was my second night of using the quantum sleeping affirmation and listen to the sounds that puts positive thoughts in your brain, and you'll apply that to your life. Also, we have a syndication group. The syndication group, the other people that's in the group, we're all going to be posting a video every day. And what we're to do is we're to go into the other people's videos and post comments and likes and share the video and things like that. It helps their video. They do the same thing for ours. But also, we can look at their video and learn from what they're doing. And in doing that, the ones that was in the same, doing a similar thing to what I'm doing, I especially looked at theirs. Like I'm doing affiliate marketing. So if someone was doing one on affiliate marketing, I looked at their keywords. I looked at their description. And as I went through the videos, if they were getting a lot of views, then I went to their description and I made me a list of hashtags. So I've got me a pretty good list of hashtags. I looked at the keywords and keyword phrases they were using, the tags in their videos. I looked at this on several videos, and that way I'm adding to my list. So I have my list of hashtags and keywords and keyword phrases. Of course, I'm also doing some research on that to find out which keyword phrases are searched for a lot and have low competition. And the long tail keywords are the ones that's going to do better to get you more traffic. But I have me a list of those. I'll be using those in my videos. I'll be using those to create titles for my videos. Also, Asa had a contest. On the contest, we purchased Babes, the NFTs, and the ones who purchased the 10 people who purchased the most was going to win her contest, and she's going to do some extra training for us. Well, I was fortunate. I was able to finish in the top 10, and then today she announced her to be in the top 10. And also what we can do is we can select someone that didn't make the top 10 to join us in that. And so people are going to be writing why they need to be selected, and I'll be selecting someone that I'll be working with. I don't mind doing a lot of work. I don't mind putting in a lot of time. I am very conservative, and besides being very conservative, I'm very structured and with a background in mathematics. I'm kind of a logical thinker. So I like to list my steps. Here's the step to do it. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Do it that way type person. I'm probably not as good in some other areas as making things really look good. So, but anyway, I'll be looking for someone that's willing to put in the work. That's going to be someone that also that the both of us will get something out of joining the group together. So looking forward to that. And in creating videos, I've filled up my OneDrive. I'm getting messages. Your OneDrive is full. You probably need to buy some more, some room for the OneDrive. But in doing so, I'm getting more organized. I am creating folders and folders for and putting things together and regrouping things. And I also found out that, like, when I download the videos and the pictures from my cell phone, they are put in my pictures, but also there's another spot on OneDrive that they're there twice. So the videos, it adds up and makes twice as much room. But I am working on getting those organized and getting those moved to the places I need to. I'm using Canva to do my thumbnails. Canva has worked really well for me doing thumbnails. I said thumbnails, and thumbnails. So on Canva, and I've got me a thumbnail folder, but I'm going to redo that. I have more than one channel, so I need to have my thumbnails for one channel in one folder and thumbnails for another channel on the other folder. Not have them all together, so I'm not having to look through them. Also, I have them named so I can look through them and try to pick out the right thumbnail for that particular video. I'm also, as I'm working on the videos, I mentioned my video yesterday, I'm inexperienced in doing face-to-face videos. I've been doing a lot of videos where I didn't show my face. I've been using Screen Rec. I noticed the others in the group were using Loom. Screen Rec also will put your face on the bottom right side as you're doing the videos. And I will do recordings where I'm discussing things on the computer and recording with a screen recorder. I'm going to also download Loom and look at it also and compare it and see how it works with a Screen Rec. But I've been using that quite a bit, creating videos where I don't show my face. So this is new to me. I got to get used to this. I'm not used to looking at a blank camera in front of me, but maybe I'll get comfortable with that pretty soon, because I'll be doing a video every day. As I do a video each day, hopefully I'll get a little bit better at redoing my videos. And also in doing the videos, it's like I got to keep in mind, what am I going to talk about? So I kind of jotted me down a few things to look at. So I've got my sheets, and so I can kind of glance at it. In another, not in Aisha's group, but in Vince's group today, on our webinar, they mentioned the teleprompter. He mentioned that maybe a month ago or more, and I was sick at that time. And since I was sick at that time, I didn't do anything with that. I didn't even remember what the teleprompter that you said was. And I was going to send Aisha a message and ask what it was. But today, she came in on Vince's webinar, and she brought up the teleprompter and discussed it. So thank goodness. So now then, I'm going to be looking into that. I'll be getting the teleprompter loaded on the cell phone, so that with the teleprompter, I'll have the words on the cell phone in front of me, instead of looking at a blank cell phone in front of me filming me. There'll be some text on there, and I can use that to refresh my memory. So that's going to be a great help to me. So I'm excited about that. Thanks for Aisha and Vince for telling me about the teleprompter on the cell phone. I'll be putting that to use. That will really help in doing videos. So anyone else that's not doing that already, then that's something you need to look into. Also, I just changed cell phone carriers. Since I changed cell phone carriers, then I've got to really do a lot of work. I notice when I go to check my email on the cell phone, I've got to log in again. I mentioned in the video yesterday, I don't see well, so I don't like using the cell phone, just because I have problems seeing. But I've got to go back and put my emails in. I got to get everything synced on the cell phone so everything works. It's all set up on my laptop, but I've got to get that. It's going to take a little extra time getting everything set up on the cell phone. Also on the cell phone, I know that there is a YouTube studio that I need to download. There's probably a YouTube app also. So I've got to download the YouTube studio and the YouTube app. And it's one of those two. I had read in the past that on one of those, you can use your cell phone to create YouTube shorts. You can either select 15 seconds, 30 seconds, or up to 1 minute. You can also get background music on that. So I'm going to be looking into getting that set up also. I am doing YouTube shorts. So since I'm doing YouTube shorts, I'm definitely going to be interested in getting that set up. I've got to learn more about it. I'll tell you more about it in other videos once I learn more about it. So I'll be sharing with you about what I'm learning, but also what I'm learning from the webinars, but also what I'm learning on my own as I'm actually doing things. So I'll be getting back with you every day, making another video. Subscribe to my channel. That way you can know when I've got another video posted. And I'll be seeing you in another video. Thanks for watching.